Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to fix microphone not working on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So first, you have to check app microphone permissions. You have to go to your settings. Now go to privacy and security, tap this one. Scroll down, locate microphone. And then here you have to make sure the apps you're using like WhatsApp, Zoom, Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook have microphone access enabled. You will see it all here. Next is you can now exit your privacy and security, and this time proceed to screen time. Under settings, go to screen time, go to content and privacy restrictions. And then here you have to scroll down, tap on microphone. So you can scroll down here and look for microphone, tap this one, tap on allow changes. So make sure that you have checked this one or tap this one. Now, if this method didn't work, then the next thing you should do here to fix this microphone not working on iPhone is to go back to your settings. This time, what you're going to do is you have to tap on general, scroll down, and then tap on transfer or reset. Lastly, reset your iPhone. It won't delete your data but will reset system settings. So basically, this will help you fix the problem of microphone not working on your iPhone. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.